Hello friends, I welcome you all to this session on graph theory. Today I will be discussing about the graph which is called as a regular graph. So now as you already know that how to evaluate the degree of any vertex in a graph, so it becomes easy to understand what is a regular graph. So consider this graph having three vertices A, B and C. Now the degree of this vertex A is 2 sorry, the degree of vertex B is 2 and the degree of vertex C is also 2. So in this particular graph, all the vertices are having degree 2. Now take another example. Now in this particular graph, if you look, the degree of this vertex, let's say it is A, B and C and D, the degree of this vertex is 3, the degree of this vertex is 3, likewise this is also 3 and this is 3. So what is a regular graph? A regular graph is a graph in which the degree of every vertex is same. Okay, so a graph in which every vertex has same degree. So if you look, this is 2 everywhere. That means all the vertices are of degree 2. So that's why they are also called as 2 regular graph. And here this in this graph all the vertices are of degree 3, so this is 3 regular graph. So in general regular graphs are written as k regular graph, where k is the degree of each vertex in that graph. So a regular graph in which all the vertices have the same degree, that is k, and is called as k regular graph. So let us take one example. Let's say I have to find k. Let's say I want to evaluate k for a k regular graph having 18 vertices and 12 edges. Now, as you don't know the theorems right now, so what is the method you should be adopting? So we have only one method. We have to draw it. So let us draw 8 vertices first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 vertices and there are 12 edges. So let us draw them. Let us draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are done. Then let's say it is 9 and then 10, then 11 and then 12. Okay. So now we have drawn 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now what is required? Degree. So let us take this one. This is having degree 1, 2, 3. This is also having degree 3. Every vertex in this graph is having degree 3. So that is what we call as 3 regular graph. So this is a 3 regular graph. So what is k in this? It is 3. So in this way you can proceed to evaluate the value of k for a k regular graph. Once again I am telling you, a graph for which each vertex is having same degree is called as a regular graph. So before we wind up this particular lecture, let me also tell you about what is the total degree and degree sequence of a graph. So total degree and degree sequence of a graph. So consider this graph. Now if you look this particular graph, let's say we have only one loop. So if you look this graph, you are having A, B, C. Three vertices are there, and let us try to find out what is the degree of each vertex in this graph. So this graph is having vertex C is having 1, 2 edges connected, so this is having degree 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, so vertex A is having degree 4. This is 1, 2, and loop counts 2, so this is again having degree 4. So the degree of vertex A is 4. The degree of vertex B is 4. The degree of vertex C is 2. So if we add all the degrees in a graph, that means sum up the degree of all the vertices in graph, then that is what we call as the total degree of that graph. So in this particular case, it is 4 plus 4 plus 2. That is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. So 10 is the degree of this graph. Okay. Now, what is degree sequence? So degree sequence means writing the degree of any graph in ascending order. Or sometimes some people also try to write it in descending order, that doesn't matter. So here, if I want to write the degrees in ascending order, so the degrees are 2 and then 4 and then 4. So this becomes the degree sequence for this particular graph. Let us take one more example. Let's say I'm having this graph, and let's say one more. Okay, so these are the vertices in the graph A, B, C, and E, and let's say it is F, this is G, and this is H. So let us try to find out the degree of each vertex. So this is 1, 2, 3, so this is having degree 3. This is 1, 2, this is having degree 2. This is 1, 2, 3, this is having degree 3. This particular vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is having degree 4. This vertex is having degree 2. This is having degree 3. And this is pendant vertex having degree 1. So if I am interested in finding out the total degree, then I have to add up. That is 1 plus 3, then plus 2, then 4 plus 3, and then this 3, and then this 2. So this will give me the total degree of this particular graph. Whereas if I am interested in writing the sequence, then I have to write it in ascending order. So let's say it is 1, I am writing 1 first because this is the lowest degree, then this 2 and this 2. So two 2's are there, and then one, this is 1, this is 2. So 2 3's are also there, and then one more 3 is left. So 3 3's are there, and then 1 4. So this is the degree sequence. Okay. So in this lecture you have learned about regular graph, what is k-regular graph, what is degree sequence, and how to find out the total degree of any graph. So in this lecture till this point only. In the next lecture we will be learning about few more concepts. So thank you very much for watching it.